shattering, shattering the part of me, and I can take it. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins. My heart is so hollow, your voice is an arrow, making the pain. My heart is so hollow, hollow, hollow. My heart is so hollow.
Hello and welcome to my channel and happy National Unicorn Day. I know, I had to do a unicorn look to go with today. So today's video is quite exciting because I am trying a ton of new Colourpop products that I got very kindly sent to me. I am trying the Disney Villains Misunderstood palette right here. I literally used nearly every shade in this palette for this look, and I'm also trying out a liquid lipstick from the Zoella Colourpop collab, as well as some body glitters and a blush. So if you would like to see how I got on with them and how I used them and created this very sparkly unicorn makeup look, then please keep watching. I start off by priming my eyes using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and then I set that with the Colourpop Misunderstood Disney Villains eyeshadow palette, and I use the shade No Spots in that. It's just a white eyeshadow, and I set that primer. I then use the eyeshadow called Forest of Thorns, and it's a purple eyeshadow with a blue shift in it, and I apply this into the crease of my eye and really blend it out. I then go into the shadow called The Fates, and it's a really dark blue, and I apply this into the crease to contour the eye as well. I now cut the crease using a concealer and a small detailed brush. I also make the end of it into a wing, as well as setting it with the white eyeshadow that we used earlier. On the inner third of the eye, I apply Pain and Panic, and it's this really lovely chunky glittery gold. And then on the inner third, I apply Diablo, and it's this goldy greeny colour, and then on the outer third I apply Facile, and it is this really rich dark green metallic. I then go and do my base and then come back to finish the eyes. For my bottom lids, I decided to try and make my eyes look bigger, so I get a bit of concealer and draw a line underneath my lash line, and then I go over that and set that with that No Spots eyeshadow, that white eyeshadow, to make my eyes look bigger. Now I've created a new bottom lash line, I'm going to go into the eyeshadow Underworld, and I'm going to apply that along that new line. I really blend this out because I want my eyes to look as big as possible. To make the line a bit more defined, I use the eyeshadow called Sing, and I apply that closer to that new lash line. I then use the Colourpop Super Shock blush in the shade No Vacancy, and I apply this along my cheekbones and then to the apples of my cheeks. I apply a lot of this because I want this to be really bold and bright like the rest of my face. And I also add a tiny bit of this to the end of my nose. I fill in my eyebrows with an orange face paint, and then I go over them with the Colourpop Glitterally Obsessed glitter in the shade Puffin. Going back to the eyeshadow palette, I use the shade Mongrels, and I use this as a highlighter. I apply this to my brow bone, my cheekbone, my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. I then apply my lashes, and these are the Tinker Beauty lashes in the style Natalie, and I also apply some little lashes on my bottom lash line. For my lips, I use the Colourpop Liquid Lipstick Zoella collection, and this is in the shade Self Love Club, and then over that I apply the Glitterally Obsessed glitter in the colour Disco Lady. So this is the finished look, and I really love it. I got this headband from Claire's Accessories, as well as the earrings that I put in, and then I've just put on this white wig with pigtails. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Have you done anything for National Unicorn Day? If you would like to pick up some unicorn stuff, I got a gorgeous package from Claire's. Oh, I just can't. It's so cute, and I got a backpack and loads of other stuff. But if you would like to see what I got in that package, if you are a unicorn lover, then go over to my Instagram. It should be on my stories right now if you're watching the day that I uploaded this, and all the products I use will be in the description down below. I am in love with all of this Colourpop goodies that I got. The palette is so buttery and creamy and so pigmented. The whole packaging and the theming of it I just love, because I love makeup, I love Disney, and I love Halloween kind of spooky things. It's just me and a palette, it feels like. I love this so much. The glitters, like I was a bit worried because when I got them I thought that there would be like sticky glitters. It's completely dried down on my lips and my eyebrows where I've put them on. And the blush and the liquid lipstick I obviously absolutely love. The red is gorgeous and I've put glitter over it in this look, but you can still see it through it and it's just a lovely, really lovely red. And the formula, I know I spoke about this on my stories if you saw, but the formula is really, really nice. It's really thin, so it doesn't get cakey and doesn't crumble off, and I have worn this out all day and it lasted all day, so love this. And the blush is obviously really cute too, as you can tell. When I first got it I was worried that it was going to be just too pigmented because how bright it is, but as you can see probably in this video I really had to build it to get this bright, so it's very wearable for like normal day-to-day looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really, really helps me out. And if you like creative, crazy makeup looks like this, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I have a lot of content coming very soon all on this channel. I got glitter in my teeth, but I'm not mad about that. I'm not mad about that. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.